Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by launching Command Prompt Now, press Windows, type CMD, and hit Enter. Once open, make sure you know your target folder by running cd or echo %cd% to see the present working directory. If you already have a path in mind, prepare it now by typing it or copying it to the clipboard. This step prevents mistakes later. You want Explorer to open exactly where you intend. Next, you will run the command that opens File Explorer at that path. You can open File Explorer with a single command, type Start, to launch Explorer at the current directory. If you need a specific folder, use Start, /path / to / folder. The empty quotes handle titles and prevent misparsing. For more control, use Explorer. EXE with options such as Explorer /select, /file, txd to highlight a file. Make sure to escape spaces with quotes. Once done, File Explorer should appear. If not, you finish by confirming Explorer opened at the intended location. If it did not, first verify the path exists with dir c /path / to / folder and correct any typos. If permissions block access, run Command Prompt as administrator or choose a user-accessible folder. As a common fix, restart the Explorer shell, taskle /f/im explorer. EXE then start Explorer. EXE. If that still fails, ensure Explorer. EXE is in your path, and that system policies aren't restricted.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.